In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Nationstar Mortgage account 2025 step by step. If you've been a Nationstar Mortgage customer, you might already know the company now operates under the name Mr. Cooper. That means you'll sign in through the official Mr. Cooper website to access your mortgage information safely and reliably. Let's start by getting to the correct sign-in page. Open your preferred web browser and go directly to mrcooper.com/sign-in. Typing the address yourself or using a trusted bookmark helps you avoid ads or lookalike pages. Once the page loads, check for the secure padlock in the address bar and make sure the URL is exactly mrcooper.com. This confirms you're on the official site and that your connection is encrypted. On the sign-in page, you'll see two fields, one for your username and one for your password. Enter your registered username in the first field. Be sure it matches the one you created for your Mr. Cooper or former Nationstar account. If you previously signed in as a Nationstar customer, your existing username should still work unless you've changed it. Next, enter your password in the password field. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check capitalization, look for any extra spaces, and make sure caps lock isn't accidentally on. If you use a password manager, let it autofill to reduce typing errors, but confirm it's using the correct, most recent credentials for this site. When your username and password are in place, click the sign in button. The site will authenticate your information and take you to your account dashboard. That's where you can view your loan details, check your balance, review statements, and manage payments. If you briefly see a loading screen, that's normal. In some cases, you may be asked to verify your identity for security, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete that step, and you'll be signed in. If you run into issues, start by confirming you're on mrcooper.com sign-in and that your internet connection is stable. Re-enter your username carefully and try your password again. Should you still have trouble, look for the forgot username or forgot password links on the sign-in page to securely recover your access. For the best experience, keep your browser up to date and avoid signing in on shared or public devices. And when you're done, always log out, especially if you're not on your personal computer. That's all you need to sign into your Nationstar, now Mr. Cooper, mortgage account quickly and securely.